Today is Monday, Parashat Bamidbar. It's the 39th day of the Omer. And the parasha of this week, as we mentioned yesterday, speaks about the counting. It starts with the counting of the Jewish people. And then he goes on actually to tell us how they were camping around the Mishkan. And the portion that speaks about the situation of each one of the tribes says, Ish al diglo, which means every person according to his banner. And that delivers an important message, that each of us has his own sort of banner, his own personality, his own unique qualities. And interestingly, when, let's say if you have a drop of milk that falls into a pot of meat soup, let's say, if the ratio is 1 to 60th or more, then no problem. It gets nullified in the mixture. But if you have something that is counted, for instance, you have eggs. If you have an egg of a bird that is not kosher, that gets mixed up with many eggs that are kosher, the whole mixture becomes forbidden, because when something is counted, it has importance. When it has importance, it does not get nullified in the mixture of 1 to 60. So the idea of counting the Jewish people, and it happens more than once in the Torah, is the idea that each one is important. And the importance of each one, since it's counted, can never be nullified in the majority of people in the world or in a country. We always are unique and never get totally nullified and assimilated. That's the idea. But Ish al Diglo also carries that message. They were camping around the Mishkan, 3 tribes on the east, 3 tribes on the south, 3 tribes on the west, on the north. And it was not just a mixture of people together from different tribes, but there was, each tribe has its own unique qualities. That's why also Moshe Rabbeinu blessed the Jewish people in Zot HaBeracha, or when Yaakov Avinu blessed the tribes in Vaychi, he blessed them, each one singularly and individually, because each tribe has its own quality. So that idea gets carried again, Ish al Diglo, each person, each tribe according to its own, to its banner. So the 3 on the east were Yehuda and Issachar and Zevulun, and there is reason why they're together on the east specifically. And each one of the tribes had its own quality, and it's not just each one of the tribe, each singular person who was counted, as we mentioned yesterday, B'mispar Shemot, with the number of names, because the name is the identity of the person, the unique quality of that person. That is counted, and that has importance, and that never gets nullified. And that's the idea of each single person in its importance, to take whatever Hashem has granted him to serve Hashem, just like the tribes were surrounding the Mishkan. When the Mishkan, where the divine presence was, each one under his own banner, and each one is according to his own way and his own qualities, but are focused on serving Hashem. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.